click, click. That was easy. What if you could make 83 cents per each of these actions? Click, click, click. That would be awesome, right? Well, there's a website, it's a legitimate one. Wait, I'll actually show you two websites where you can get paid per click. Look at this, 83 cents, $1, $5, and some of the websites are very famous, like Norton, the secure VPN. You know Norton? You probably do. Obviously, the offers you might see when you sign up for both of these websites that are actually absolutely free might be different. This method still works, especially for the people that watch the video all the way until the end, because there's at least 3 things that you need to know: the websites, the actual methods to drive the traffic, which is very simple, and some other stuff you'll learn throughout the video. Also, there's a riddle down below in the first comment, try to answer it. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki, I talk about all things personal branding, making money online, and me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We try to upload over 3 videos a day, sometimes 4, and the idea is to upload 25 videos a week, 100 a month, to beat the competition, to take over the make money online niche that's full of BS, and we want to show you compressed, short videos that explain the methods in a very few sentences, very few minutes, not 20-30 minutes, 5, 3, 4 minutes. So if you appreciate it, subscribe to this awesome YouTube channel and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. And I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram username, YouTube account, TikTok account. I'll just take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, check this out. The website is called cpalead.com, the first website. It basically is a website that pays you per click or per lead that you can get. For some examples that you can be promoting, or websites that you'll be promoting, are Norton, Fetch Rewards, Earn Cash, Optical Illusions Quiz, and it's just the first website. You can sign up for there. I don't have to show you how to sign up. You can do it very simply. The second website is Max Bounty. And on Max Bounty, you can get the same deal. You have sweepstakes, you can get $1 per lead, $26 per lead, or every time someone signs up, you get an X amount of money. For example, if you just type in PayPal or free iPhone, you could be getting $2.4. You could be getting $2.4 for everyone that signs up for this website. And it's pretty simple, just the person adds his email, it's free for him, free for you, and he can get a $1,000 prepaid card. The website works is because the company that will be giving the card needs emails. So this is a cheap way to get them. If they can get, 10,000 emails, 100,000 emails for 1K, that's very cheap for them. So all you gotta do is build a tracking link, select something like display row link, and then your link will appear right here. You need to copy it, and you can also do it on CPA Lead. You can go on Pinterest, and on Pinterest you want to type in something like PayPal card. You just type in the search bar PayPal card, and you want to use some of these images down below. Most of them are copyright free, so you just save the images just like this, and then you want to create a new pin. Create a pin just like this. You want to upload the image, add the destination link, and then type in something interesting to drive traffic. And you want to create a pin like this every few hours to get the most leads possible. If this video helped you out, it was an OBS tutorial, make sure you give it a like, and remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is not financial or medical advice, and by the end of this video, check this video or this video. See you next one, bye.